I save hundreds or thousands of dollars each year by using the Tangem wallet instead of traditional crypto hardware wallets like the Ledger, which I'll show you in this video. And I'll perform a giveaway raffle giving out several Tangem wallets, and instructions for that giveaway you can find in the description below. And in this video I'll show you the other reasons why I still think Tangem is the best crypto hardware wallet. And that is after I tried more than 15 different other wallets since 2017 when I started. I've been using the Tangem wallet for over 2 years now, and it's currently the only wallet I recommend to people that want to get into crypto. And you will see here why it's quite straightforward. So before we go into the reasons and I show you the differences, I just want to mention for beginners, when should we get a crypto hardware wallet? And I think if you got more than $1,000 worth of crypto, it's worth getting one of these $40 or $50 wallets, and then you got it for life pretty much, since it's a 25-year guarantee. We don't want to store all of our crypto in a MetaMask wallet, because I see people daily who get hacked or scammed when they accidentally click on a link on a Discord chat, on Telegram, on Facebook, SMS, and that's why it's so important that we have a hardware wallet. The number one reason why I like the Tangem wallet is because it's so much easier to use compared with traditional wallets. With traditional wallets, we need to get the computer program, connect with USB, use the program interface with the buttons on the device in a way that's not like using anything else today in the modern world. So this is a complete nightmare for beginners, especially when we want to send large amounts of money. With the Tangem wallet, it's a familiar, easy to use app on our phone with very few options, and we just tap the card on our phone, type a password, and that's it. So the difference in usage difficulty here is enormous. And this brings us to the second reason, which is very big: coin and blockchain support, which is the one saving me so much money each year using Tangem. On Ledger, for example, for each coin or blockchain that we want to add, we need to install a certain app on our program to be able to store that coin or coins on that blockchain. And Ledger mostly only supports the Ethereum network for most altcoins, the ERC20 blockchain, which is the most expensive blockchain to use with high transaction fees. So when we want to send here or send coins back from it, it comes with a high fee. And if there is a coin not supported by Ledger, we can't store it. With the Tangem wallet, everything is already in the app. They got a ton of support for different kinds of coins and blockchains already, but most importantly, they got support for multiple different blockchain networks for the same coins. So we don't need to send them using the most expensive blockchain network, we can choose a much cheaper one. And that is why when we want to send crypto funds back and forward all the time, it becomes a lot cheaper to use the Tangem wallet. Well, actually, we can store it using the Ledger and other blockchains by doing a bunch of additional steps, but that is not intuitive at all, and thus is a lot more difficult for everyone, and especially for beginners. So the end result is that we can store a lot more coins on a lot more networks a lot easier and cheaper using Tangem. For reason number 3, it's the cost to buy, and it's pretty straightforward. The Tangem wallet can cost around $55 for 2 cards or $70 for 3 cards. And anyone can even get it 20% cheaper by using the discount code NORDIC when getting it during these special time periods. Otherwise, it's 10% off. Comparing these prices with other wallets such as Ledger or Trezor, these ones are a lot cheaper. The reason number 4 and best thing about Tangem is the safety. With the traditional wallets, we have seed phrases to store our private key to keep our crypto funds safe. But if other people see those seed phrase words, like if a thief comes in and steals your seed phrases, then they can steal your crypto. With the Tangem wallet, the private key is stored inside the card that not you, Tangem, or anyone can access. So it's the physical cards that will keep your crypto safe. That's why there's several cards in each Tangem package, so we can store these cards in separate safe locations. So as long as we got access to at least one card, we can access our own crypto. But even if a thief comes and takes one of your cards, they can't get your crypto because they also will need a password. So the Tangem wallet comes with an additional layer of security compared with the traditional seed phrase-based wallets. But the best part with the Tangem wallet, and the worst part with other traditional hardware wallets, is that those wallets are based on programs that get updated, and within those updates there is always a potential risk for backdoors that have over the years resulted in hacks and scams where people have lost their crypto. With the Tangem wallet, these cards and their firmware can't be updated. So when we get the card, that's it. It can't change. It can't open a backdoor. The Tangem app on our phone is just an interface, what we see. That can be updated, but the app itself can't access our crypto. We need the cards for that. So that is a crucial part with the Tangem wallet that sets them apart from most other wallets, making it a lot safer. On top of all of this, the Tangem wallet is waterproof, it's dustproof, it has a 25-year guarantee, no battery, nothing, which is a ton more durable and better compared with these other traditional wallets.